Finally, there is an AI tool that is solving the biggest problem with online education today. And if you are a student, then you must watch this video because by the end of it, I will change how you study online. So, we live in a world where everyone is telling you to upskill, sharing online resources with you, sending you YouTube videos and articles. But then you are left completely alone to figure it out. You open a video, take some notes, join a course, and somewhere in the middle, you get confused. You have questions and there is no one to ask because that classroom experience is what is missing in today's concept of online learning. But today, I want to show you a tool that is genuinely trying to fix that by generating a personalized AI course for you for any topic you want while giving you that exact classroom experience in online learning. Here, you can get an AI teacher who actually talks to you, AI classmates who ask questions and discuss concepts during the class, a live whiteboard, interactive quizzes with AI grading, and everything you get in a live classroom generated by AI in one click. This is exactly what OpenMAIC does, and today I'm going to show you how this works live. So, OpenMAIC, the full form is Open Massive AI Empowered Course. It is an open source online education platform that lets multi-agent AI systems to build AI classrooms that generate interactive quizzes in one click, with AI teachers who guide you and intelligent AI agents who act as students to study alongside with you, like a study buddy. It was originally built inside Tsinghua University, which is one of the top universities in the world. They used it with their own students and now they have made it completely open source, free for anyone to use. To explore this, just go to this website you see on screen. I have added the link to this website in the description. So you will land on this page where you can see a section that says Hi Student on the left. Here, you can add some details about yourself so that the AI teacher can personalize the lessons for you. For example, I typed, I am a beginner and recently completed my 12th grade. I have never coded before and I am a little shy in the class. On the right, you can also configure your AI classmates just like in an actual classroom where you have different kinds of students. Here, you can choose an AI assistant who clarifies key points being taught in the class, clown who brings some humor in the class, a curious student, a note taker, a deep thinker. Or if you don't want it, you can just leave it as is and the AI will automatically assign appropriate roles. Then in the text box, type the topic or subject you want to learn. This already sounds so interesting and I'm so excited to see how this actually feels. So I'm going to type something very simple. Teach me Python from scratch and help me write my first program in next 30 minutes. So you can also enable web search so the course uses the latest information for generating the content for you. And you can even attach any files you want to use as course material. I'm loving it already. Okay, so after this, simply hit the enter classroom button and you will see what happens. The AI agents will start planning the content for your course, figuring out what should be taught first, what comes after. It will also plan the slides, quizzes and interactive lessons. And in just a few seconds, the entire course is ready. Down below on the left, you can see the AI teacher and on the right, you can see all your classmates and of course yourself. Now let me actually start the class by clicking on this button, and this is where it gets interesting. Now watch this for next few seconds to experience how this class actually looks like.
Welcome to our very first session. I am so excited to be your guide as we begin this journey. Building on what we just discussed, let's dive into the core of it all. What exactly is programming? It sounds technical, but it's actually something we deal with every day. We often think of computers as incredibly smart, but they are actually very literal. Building on what we just covered about Python being our translator, let's learn our very first command in this new language, the print function. Think of print as Python's voice. It is the primary way the computer talks back to us, showing us the results of its work on the screen. The syntax is very specific. We start with the word print in all lowercase. This is the name of the function, telling Python exactly what action to perform. Next come the parentheses. You can think of these as a container or a set of open arms that hold the information you want to display. If you start something, you have to finish it, or Python won't know where your message ends. Take a moment to select your answers. Don't worry if you get them wrong. Spotting these tiny syntax errors is a skill that every programmer has to practice, even the pros.
So there is an AI teacher here and it is not just showing me text on the screen. It is actually talking to me, explaining things out loud like a real teacher would. And And look at the slides. See how it's pointing to different parts as it explains. That little laser pointer effect, it gives you the real classroom feeling. That spotlight on the important words. I mean, this is so amazing. This is exactly what a good teacher does in a classroom.
Now that we've practiced spotting syntax errors, let's look at one of the most powerful tools in a programmer's toolkit, variables. Think of them as your digital boxes. Imagine a variable is a labeled container. Just like you might have a box in your room labeled shoes or books, a computer uses variables to store and organize information so it can find it later. Notice that equal sign? In programming, we call it the assignment operator. It doesn't mean this is the same as like in math class. It's an action that says put this value on the right into the box on the left.
It highlights the important keywords and use that pointer so that the class is interactive. Okay, so the slides are clean, the explanations are clear, and it is spaced well for a beginner. Nothing is being rushed. Now here is my favorite part of this whole tool. In between the class, the AI teacher can ask questions and all other students can participate by answering them. You will also see other AI students typing comments or asking questions based on their role, and you can join the discussion too. So while I was going through the lesson, one of the AI students raised their hand and started a discussion. There are multiple agents in the classroom. There is the teacher, an AI assistant, and other student agents who are in the class with you. And I can just watch them discuss, or I can join in by clicking the join button. So here, let me try to join the discussion, and now I can actually type my own questions or responses into this discussion, and the other agents will respond to me directly. This is insane. I think this is how the future of AI education should look like. And look at this, because all the other students were discussing something, so the teacher just opened a whiteboard and is drawing out the concept to explain it visually to the entire class, step by step. This is the kind of thing that makes something actually click for you, when someone draws it out and explains it at the same time, just like in an actual classroom. I genuinely have not seen any other AI education tool do this. Notebook LM gives you a nice audio summary, other tools give you quizzes, but none of them gives you an actual classroom experience where things are happening around you and you can participate in them. And now let me show you the part that honestly surprised me the most. After each topic, a quiz shows up automatically. The questions are generated by the AI based on what was just taught. So I am going to answer this quiz quickly, and see, it did not just tell me the right or wrong question, it actually explained why. That is very important, because just knowing the answer is not enough. You need to understand it. You can try learning literally any topic you want, because this is not just for coding or technical topics. I tried creating courses for multiple topics, from science to maths to understanding research papers, and it generated a full classroom vibe just like the Python course we tried today in this video. You'll get same AI teacher, AI students, group discussions, slides, quizzes, everything. You can try something from your syllabus, something you're curious about, something your teacher explained in class but you did not fully understand. So here's my honest take on this. What OpenMAIC is doing is quite different from most AI tools that are out there, like Notebook LM or Google's Learn Your Way. Those tools give you content in multiple formats but with limited interaction and are mostly designed for self-study. But this tool gives you experience, and for students that difference is huge, because we do not struggle to find content in this world of AI. We struggle to actually understand it and remember it. That classroom format, the discussions, the whiteboard, the quizzes, all of that helps your brain engage with the material, not just scroll through it. Is it perfect? Not yet. Sometimes the loading takes a bit longer, and I think the interface could also be improved. But for a free open source tool, it is genuinely impressive. And if you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. It is completely free, and if you are a developer or someone who is interested in education technology, this is open source on GitHub. You can go in, look at the code, contribute to it, suggest improvements, or set it up locally to use it later. That link is also added in the description below. Give it a try, pick one topic you have been struggling with, and just see what kind of classroom it builds for you. And let me know in the comments how you felt about this tool. And I will answer all of you personally and share your questions on my Instagram live. If you find this video helpful, then give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it so that I feel motivated to finding such tools for you and sharing them with you. See you in the next one.